Today is a shameless self-plug on why you should work with me specifically. I will use past reviews from customers to allow them to sort of vicariously tell their stories and why they enjoyed working with me, and therefore why you should do the same. Starting with Philly Burrick, SunSmart Roofing under the direction of Brian Sternad and, more importantly, Nathan West, whom I had direct contact with, were very professional and kept every step transparent between my insurance company and myself. Installation went exceptionally well, especially since I had a blue tarp that needed to be removed before the shingles could be placed. The workers were dependable, showed up before 7 a.m. and left at 6 p.m. In the interim, Nathan would stop by and check the progress, which was certainly reassuring. When you are in need of a roof, I would recommend SunSmart Roofing without hesitation. Philippa was also kind enough to film a testimonial video with me after her project. I'm going to include some clips from that now. Did anything go wrong during the build? And if so, what?
No, nothing at all. Everything went smoothly. And I think that was because the project supervisor made sure everything went smoothly. He stopped in to check, climbed on the roof, looked around, talked to the guys, and he would stop in from time to time. And that's my pal Nathan.
Is Nathan standing anywhere near you right now?
Is he standing near me? Oh, about, let's see, 3 feet, 9 inches away.
All right. Mm-hmm. Did a SunSmart representative assist in the cleanup by sweeping for nails at your house?
Oh, absolutely. You know, he picked them out, you know, with his hands, sweep with the magnets. Oh, yes.
Did I use my hands?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
I usually use the magnet. It's much
easier.
easier.
Yeah, you did that too.
Okay. Yeah, if I see one the magnet won't get or something that's not magnetic, that's usually what I... Keitha Hatcher says, Nathan West made my roof replacement process very smooth. He mediated with my home insurance company and kept me updated every step of the way. Gabriel Vickens says SunSmart Roofing is great. Nathan West is incredible and helped guided and has been great since the beginning. The crew they sent, Inmer, Omar, Edwin, and Danny, were amazing. These guys are the best, and Nathan is very awesome. Thank you for your help. We'll definitely recommend them. Sean Lyon says, Nathan and the crew did a wonderful job replacing my old shingled roof with a nice new metal roof. They were all courteous and did the job quickly and without any issues. Highly recommend. Sean was also kind enough to film a testimonial video with me after his project. I'm going to include some clips from that now. Were there moments that I served you with excellence?
Pretty much the whole time. You know, like I said, you were always responsive. The answers that you gave made sense. You know, that's not something that you can always get. A lot of people like a little double speak in their promises. So, but you know, you were above board, very clear spoken, and easily understood. So yeah, no trouble.
Did I communicate using your preferred method, and did I communicate quickly?
Answers to both are yes. You know, like I said, texts were within minutes, emails within hours. Mm-hmm. You know, for somebody who has to be out on the road, you know, what, 60-70% of your time at minimum, mm-hmm. Right? You know, that's a pretty amazing response rate. So, you know, again, kudos.
Don's Audrey says, Nathan stopped by because he spotted a missing shingle on my roof from the road. He quartered the roof, repaired it himself, and even cut some of my tree branches that had overgrown while he was on the roof. He was punctual and communicative throughout the process. Thank you, Nathan. I would highly recommend Nathan and SunSmart Roofing. Jerry Miller says, I had an outstanding experience with SunSmart Roofing and Nathan West from start to finish. The entire process was incredibly smooth, professional, and stress-free, which is rare when it comes to home improvement projects. Nathan was responsive, transparent, and always made sure I understood what was happening every step of the way. He gave me clear timelines, kept me updated on progress, and followed through on every promise. The crew worked efficiently and respectfully, leaving the area clean and roof looking flawless. What stood out the most was how easy it was to work with this company. No runaround, no surprises, just high quality work and excellent communication. The roof looks amazing, and I'm confident it was done right. If you want peace of mind, professional service, and a team that actually cares about the customer, I highly recommend SunSmart Roofing and Nathan West. Would absolutely work with them again. For Jerry, I specifically recall there was some debris hanging from his tree after the build that I had to get up my ladder, use my magnet to swat down, collect, and dispose of so it wasn't hanging out. Roger Bachman says, the roofing by SunSmart turned out to be a good experience and a fine job done by the roofers. Very satisfied with Nathan West, who helped me along the way by always answering my questions and concerns to my satisfaction. He always answered my phone calls and was prompt with advice and solutions. Thank you very much for the hard work and excellent job. Harry Santiago says, I would like to thank Nathan West from SunSmart Roofing on his great job he did with my CertainTeed solar shingles. Project lasted 9 months. Communication was on point through whole project. There were some delays with county inspection. It was handled on a great way. I do not have any complaints. Everything was great. I would use SunSmart Roofing again on my next project. Thanks. Harry was also kind enough to film a testimonial video with me after his project. I'm going to include some clips from that now. How was our communication throughout the process?
Well, it was perfect, man. 100% good. I cannot complain about that because the project last 9 months, and then I was hitting my guy every 1 or 2 months to see what was the status, because everything took so much time because basically the solar shingle was not on stock at that time. So I think that is made to order. So it took a couple of time, but it was worth it at the end. So.
Luz E. Pagan says, small job, all went well. No complaints. Matt Oakes says, SunSmart Roofing did a great job for us. They were very accommodating and did the whole job while we were out of town. There were a couple small trim things we noticed later, and Nathan came out to fix them himself. Bruce Stout says, Nathan West came to evaluate our roof after we were informed some shingles were missing. He looked at the entire roof and determined nothing needed to be done. He also trimmed a shingle that was trapping water at no charge. Nathan is a true, honest professional and extremely polite on top of that. My wife and I will definitely call him and his company for any future roofing needs. Okay, just to orient ourselves, we're here on the roof. This is our valley going up. As the water runs down, it's coming down under this tab. The strip right here that's supposed to be sealing it down came loose in the middle, but the bottom strip that's sealing it is still working. So it's just pocketing right here, and that's why there was water pooling when he pressed here. In his video, that water splashed right out. So what I'm gonna do is just cut diagonal right along here, and that way the water that would have pooled here is able to run down. Problem solved. Water will now run down. It'll hit this spot where it's able to still get under the edge here, but because gravity's pulling it down, it's gonna run right off the roof. Joel Baker says, recently had a small leak in ceiling. Suspected solar panel on roof, contacted SunSmart Roofing, and Nathan West did an A+ job of finding and implementing a cost-effective solution. Okay, we got our culprit. In your room, there's a little vent, which is this guy. And then here's the outside wall, here's the back wall. It was inside from the vent, so this direction, about 2 or 3 feet to get to the leak. And if we look straight up, we get to that. And that's coming in straight from some solar lags. So, problem solved. We know what's going on right there. Thank you for watching to this point. If you need any roofing repairs or replacements, I hope you'll reach out. My contact info is in the description.